Hello friends, in this video you will learn three types of uses of would plus verb first form. So let's start a discussion about it. This modal verb can be used in four situations like polite request and offer, and repeated past actions, and imaginary situations, and reported speech. These are the four conditions where should you use would plus verb first form, and I'm going to explain one by one and step by step. So first of all, I would like to discuss about my first word, polite request and offer. And to understand about this word, you will have to understand about want and would. So here I'm going to show you comparison between want and would. Whenever you use one word, it means you are showing your self-decision and you are showing your demand. But whenever you use would word, it means you are showing your polite request and offer, as well as you are showing your opinion. Let me show you a few examples about it. Like, I want to talk to you. In this sentence, you are showing your self-decision, as well as you are demanding, like you want to talk with someone. But whenever you use would word, like I would like to talk to you. So in this sentence, I'm showing my polite request, like I'm requesting someone and I'm asking, I would like to talk to you. Would you like to talk to me? And here you can see many other examples, like I want to go there. So in this sentence, I'm showing my demand and I'm showing my decision, like I want to go there. But whenever I use would word, like I would like to go there, so in this sentence, I'm showing my polite request, as well as I'm showing my interest, like I would like to go there. And you can see many other examples like this, like I want to buy a car, I want to eat ice cream, and I want to ask you a question. In this all sentences, I'm showing my decision, like I want to buy a car, I want to eat, I want to ask you a question. But whenever you use would word, like I would like to buy a car, I would like to eat ice cream, I would like to ask you a question. So in this sentence, I'm showing my request, like I'm requesting someone, like I would like to ask you questions. Would you like to talk to me? So here I'm requesting someone and I'm showing my politeness, like I'm giving respect, like I would like to talk to you, or I would like to ask you a question. So let me show you my second word, repeated past action. And this word can be used to show some past action that you used to do every day, but this time you don't. So now I'm gonna show you how can you express your repeated action of the past by using would plus verb first form. But this word has a little complication, because you can express your repeated action of the past by using used to also. So to understand about would verb, you will have to understand about used to also. So here you can see some rules and differences, because used to can be used with both action verb and stative verb, and would is only used with action verb. And used to, you don't need to show time duration of the past, but whenever you use would verb, that you will have to show your time duration of the past. So this is the little differences between both verb, and you can see the some example for more clarity, like they used to live in another country. This sentence is showing a statement, like in the past somebody used to live in another country. So this is the stative verb. And would, like every Sunday we would visit our grandmother. This sentence is showing action of the past, like every Sunday we would visit our grandmother. So in this sentence I'm showing time, like every Sunday, and I'm showing action. And in the first example I showed you statement, and you can see the my second example, like I used to smoke but I quit last year. This sentence I'm showing a statement like I'm telling about myself, like in the past I used to smoke, but this time I quit. I do not smoke. And you can see the would. When I was at school, I would spend hour and hour at the library. In this sentence, I'm showing action of the past that I used to do every day, as well as I'm showing time duration when I would do this thing. Like when I was at school, this is the time duration. Like when I was at school, I would spend hour and hour at the library. You can see my last example. When I was a student, I used to love sleeping late on the weekend. In this sentence, I'm showing my statement like when I was a student, I used to love sleeping late on the weekend. And you can say about would like in 2015, I would work hard. So this sentence is also showing action of the past that I used to do every day, as well as I'm showing time duration like which time I would work very hard. So now I hope you have understood about repeated past action, as well as you have understood about used to and would. So I hope you have learned a lot of from this session. So let me show you my third word, imaginary situations. This is very formal word and everybody knows that what is meaning of imagination. But today I am going to elaborate how can you show your imagination by using would plus verb first form. So here I collected a few examples for you. I would move to Japan if I spoke Japanese. So in this sentence, I'm imagining to go to Japan if I would speak Japanese. So here you can notice, do I speak Japanese? No. Did I go to Japan? No. So here I'm only imagining that I would go to Japan if I would speak Japanese. So this is not a real, this is imagination that I'm imagining to go to Japan if I would speak Japanese. And you can see my second example, I would buy a car if I were rich. So in this sentence, I'm imagining to buy a car if I were rich. So here you can notice, am I rich? No. Did I buy a car? No. So this is not a real. I'm imagining if I were rich, so I would buy a car. So this is imagination. This is not a real. And you can see my third example, like I would help you if I were there. This sentence is also showing imagination. Like few days ago, my friend needed help and I was not there. And when I got no, so I was thinking about him and I was imagining if I were there, so I would help him. But in reality, I didn't help him because I was not there. And today I'm imagining that I would help him if I were there. And you can see my last example, I would teach you if you were a child. So this sentence is also showing imagination. Like in this sentence, I'm imagining to teach you if you were a child. So here you can notice, do you child? No. Did I teach you? No. So here I'm only imagining that if you were a child, I would teach you. So this is imagination that I'm imagining to teach you. But in real, I didn't teach you because you are not a child. And let me show you my fourth and last word, reported speech. We use reported speech when we want to tell something what someone said. It means someone had told you about something in the past, and in the present you are telling the exact same what had he told you. It's called reported speech. And I'm gonna show you a few examples for more clarity. For example, Anita said that she would bring the coffee. In this sentence, I'm telling report about Anita. In the past, Anita promised me that she would bring the coffee. And in the present, I'm hoping that she would bring the coffee. And let me show you a few more examples. Like she told me she would not come in the party. This sentence is also showing report about her. Like she told me yesterday she would not come in the party of today. And let me show you my last example. I knew he would not help me. This sentence is also showing report about my friends that he would not help me. But fortunately in the past I knew that he would not help me. So I hope you have understood about these all sentences. So if you think it was helpful for you, so please like and subscribe my channel.